Welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, planning, and everyday entertaining. And as we do on a monthly basis, we are going to open our cloth and paper subscription box for August. This box was really interesting for me, and I was really happy to receive it at the right time because this box was all about wellness. So the first thing that we got in the box was this AG1, and it is a travel pack. It contains several travel packs rather of a powder green drink, and you just mix this drink with water and you get myriad vegetables, fruits, and nutrients into your system. The next thing we received was the Uni One F Pens, and this was probably one of my favorite things in the box, and I have been using these pens non-stop and pretty exclusively since I've gotten this box. So we got 2 pens, and then they came with 2 replaceable inks. So the pens themselves had ink in them, and then they came with 2 additional inks. Very, very nice. Very smooth, beautiful writing pens. I highly recommend them. And then all of the fun goodies that we tend to get every month. This first thing is a 100 days tracker, sticky notes. And so you can track any health habit that you want to focus on, or any wellness habit. If you want to be sure to pray every day, you can track that for 100 days. And then along with that come these healthy planning stickers. I know that I'm trying to build up a habit of walking, so I can put in for 100 days to try to form a habit of these walking icons along with this tracker, or I can just fill it in with a marker. And then we got this journaling card. One thing I noticed about the box is that it has a theme of green, and I said, oh, my nail polish is perfect. This journaling card says wellness is a composition of knowledge and action. And then here was another beautiful journaling card with green writing. It's very beautiful. It had habit on one side and motivation on the other. Very elegant. And then of course we got our monthly desk calendar. So we got the one for October in this box. And then of course the what's inside sheet that we get in every box. And this I really loved because it is a reminder card. It's August, baby. Get your 2024 planner inserts for the new year. And then here was the booklet that was all about AGI or AG1 and all of the nutrients and benefits of this drink. And it was really, really interesting. I just flipped through the book, and as I'm flipping through this book, I realized, let me just make me up a little bit and kind of sip on it while I am going through this box. But as you can see, it's so simple to just mix the powder with water, and voila, you have this healthy drink. It was a little bit messy, so even though these are travel packs, I can see getting the dust and spilling a little bit, you know, as you fix your drink. So I just added cold water to it and stirred it up. There was no chalky taste. There was no unpleasant taste. It really had a very light citrusy kind of taste to it. It really didn't taste like much of anything. I was expecting, you know, that real green drink kind of taste, but it didn't have that. It's dark green and it really felt good going in. So I was really excited to try that. And then our monthly dashboard. We got a vellum dashboard this month that simply says wellness. We all need to be taking better care of ourselves, and we all need to be focusing on our wellness. This next group of sheets are activity trackers. And I really like these inserts because you can do anything. Your goals, your workout plans, personal projects or any activity that relates to your wellness. I like the fact that it had a blank calendar at the top, so you can use the calendar function, you can use a log function, you can use a list modality, whatever you want to do to make this work for you. So I found it to be very customizable. That's what I'm trying to say. And on the back of each sheet, you had just lined paper for your notes. Really great set of inserts. And the final set of inserts in the box are these wellness log inserts. And so here you could really track like your meal planning, your exercise, anything that you want, water intake for your day-to-day wellness. And it had some things down the side. And this is another place, honestly, that you can use those icon wellness stickers right on this insert. They probably will fit better on this insert. And then they have some lines below where you can write some reflections and thoughts about what you're doing. And these are on the weekly basis. So you have an insert for each week. This is me just stirring up that drink even more. It was so delicious. I really did enjoy drinking it. And then the final piece, I really loved this. This is a recipe card set. And what was so beautiful about this set was it came in a little acrylic box that you can keep in your kitchen, and you don't have to worry about the cards getting wet or soiled in any way. But this really is a great, beautiful, aesthetic recipe card set. And it came with some stickers for some ideas of how to name your dividers. And I landed on hors d'oeuvres, entrees, and desserts. Because I mostly cook without a recipe, but there are some recipes that I like to refer to, and that's how I'm going to use this box, is those recipes that I like to refer to, I will write on the cards and put into this box. And so the first card simply says Bon Appetit, and on the back of that you have different kitchen measurements, which is always very useful when you're in the kitchen, especially if you're trying to half a recipe or double a recipe. And then you have these cards where you can write down all of your ingredients, the time that it takes, if you want to actually add a photo of what it looks like. And then you have the back where you can write all of the preparation instructions. So I decided to set this up for myself, and probably between now and the end of the year, I will write a few recipes that I like to refer to on these cards. I'm thinking like mostly baking stuff, honestly. My coffee cake recipe, my yeast roll recipe. You know, you have to be more exact with those amounts. So I can see myself adding those to this box. But I'm just putting down on the dividers, and you can make your own dividers for this box and add some of the other stickers if you would like. But I'm just putting down hors d'oeuvres, entrees, and desserts. And then I'm just putting that sticker sheet in the back of the box so that I can always find it if I want to add a divider. And then I'm just adding the cards and the dividers back to the box. This is really, really cute. Pardon my remote. I was actually watching YouTube videos while I was filming this unboxing. So everything fits nicely and neatly back into the box. And as you can see, the box closes really securely, so you don't have to worry about the cards getting wet. Very, very nice. Can sit beautifully on your counter with no problem. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.